predicament here. I stopped to see my family in Arizona and park here by Bosch's, and motherfuckers decide to park you in. So, looks like someone's getting woke up tonight or this morning, because I gotta get rolling up out of here, because y'all gonna be dumb and inconsiderate. At least leave me room to get out. That's all you ask for. But you know, truckers don't think. Most of them don't, but y'all already know. So,
found my surprise video. Now all you have to do is click the link in my bio and click follow on the way out.